matter how much she tried to comfort her beloved child, she wouldn't stop crying. They wouldn't stop crying. The confused mother didn't realize how terrifying her own face was. I don't care what the person next door is doing. This way, I won't notice that one person's head and body are facing different directions. Grandma often takes walks while pushing a wheelchair. She had long been to her husband sitting there compensating her for over 50 years, but now
if you want to know what you will look like when you grow up, first open the time machine. Then take a picture. Finally, you can see what each age group looks like. Download and
one of the people lying there has been pushed up from the top floor. The apartment building ended instantly. She had secretly been dating a popular male idol, which led to being pushed up by her peers. The man nearby helped me fix bicycle. By the way, he seemed to be holding a stick. What was that? Oh wait, the brakes aren't working. The bodies of a man and a woman were found. The causes are poisoning to the van being blocked by snowballs. This way the result of a child's prank. Ang difference. Bakit ba yun? The mother couldn't accept that her daughter has passed away. This year she celebrated the birthday of her anciently young daughter once again.
Drop it down, just wanna see you touch the ground.
Yes, this game can get aerobics quickly and very easy. You can reach fast. Come and try it.
This family returned from a trip, but the window leading to the garden was open. If it were only the stealing items, it wouldn't be so bad. The terrifying thing is that the intruder might be still inside it. And place the hardships of a parenting and attract her husband's attention. She seemed to have forced the child to do certain things. A girl shouldn't be there appeared in the picture. Who could this be? Who could this child be?
Hey, ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground.
Yes, this game can get aerobics quickly and very easy. You can reach fast. Comment silent.
The woman who was struggling to buy the large freezer, and she had always dreamed of, said, "Now I can store my husband's body. Now I can store my husband's body." Inside of each giant lantern, there's a little bird with little dose of poison. That man plans to kill her after the closing and then marry another woman. The woman smiled and took the omen gift, employed Mark in a memory of this bird. It was only later it was discovered the bridegroom was this woman's ex-boyfriend. Is there a hidden camera in the changing room? Someone must have been peeping who's changing. Mama, excuse me po.
We listen to you, and that's why I'm here to share a hack on how to play with the jelly texture of Paper IO2, which will help your character reach 100% of the map faster than ever before. First, choose the burger skin from the skin shop. It has the best feature to do small circles, something you will need to do to expand your territory.
Pipila pa ako mahaba.
Mga nagla-live stream pa ako habang naglalaro.
Nag-live ka na naman.
A gift from unknown slender has unusual stitching on the back. What could it possibly be inside? face displayed on the...
Lalagay ka nito para
Ma, basahin mo po.
the face displayed on the intercom screen is indeed that of a friend, but someone is holding a phone, showing the friend's image in front of it. Saan yun?
Yan po.
Scary. Ganyan ako kung naglalagay ko dapat to.
Ma,
Di ba pag ganyan?
ganito pong sinasabi mo
Ay, pag
po.
ganyan pala.
Ganito sinasabi mo po, missing po. Pati meron din person po nag-aano po sa stop toy po ng kidnap po yun po. Ikakabihin siya nito. That doll, the doll that my missing daughter had. Why does he have that doll? The terrible legs filled with fear, I walked towards that man. Mano pala po sasabihin?
Kinakagat ko siya ng ngipit ko tapos parang
Mano yung sasabihin pala po ng afterlife?
ano, afterlife, dun sa ano, parang sa kabilang buhay.
Kabilang
Buong kunyari, yung buhay mo sa kabilang buhay yun lang kay Papa Jesus. Di ba pagkamatay ka? Afterlife, yung kabilang buhay.
Ah,
Yung buhay ka pero nag-upo kay Papa Jesus. Ganun.
buhay po ako pero doon po ako kay Papa Jesus.
Oo, pero dito sa lupa, patay ka na. Afterlife. Bakit?
Wala lang po, meron ako na-spot pong babae po sa mirror po ng lalaki po, ano po, holding a kitchen knife po, lover ko. Nakalagay din po doon afterlife po, so papatayin po ang lalaki. Ganun ba yung yandere po?
Ano ba sabi?
Killing for love po? Ano ba yun?
Uy, may pag-asa pa bang luminis tong kwet ng kaldero namin? I-try nga natin tong product na to na na-discover ko. Kung talagang
That man is a stalker. When he passed by the room, he interrupted me, took out a key to pretend he was a resident, but he didn't realize that this apartment building uses key cards. There's a bug. Basahin mo po.
The gift contained the corpse of an insect just a few days before her. The gift contains the corpse of an insect daw. Tapos, just a few days before her birthday, she suggested ignoring a member of the group. Instead, she became the target of bullying herself.
Ano po yung sasabihin ko niyo? Lahat po sinabi mo? Lahat po. Ay, lahat po sinabi.
Sabi niya, yung gift daw contains the corpse of an insect. May insect daw doon sa regalo. Tapos, just a few days before, bago daw sa birthday niya, nag-suggest siya na wag na lang pansinin yung mga grupo niya. Instead, she became the target of bullying herself. Binubully din sarili niya. Sabi. Uy, may kamay yun.
Pero walang dugo.
A hand is resting on the railing. However, this isn't ghost photo. In reality, one of the companion was nearly pushed.
Ano po yung sasabihin ko niyo?
Hindi ko maintindihan. Ito.
Ba't yung teddy bear naglalaro?
Ang galing ah.
Walang teddy bear naglalaro. Yung naglalaro dapat yung tao.
Ano sabi?
As a popular
17. Popular.
popular 7-year-old
17.
17-year-old high school
Influencer. A selfie taken in her room clearly showed an ashtray daw. After this, she will undoubtedly face a huge backlash.
Ano po yung sasabihin po nun?
Ano yun?
What is that supposed
Huge back. Hindi ko rin maintindihan. Ang lalim naman kasi.
Ang hirap niya.
Ano ba yun ito? Oh.
So,
Nakalagay. The hidden
ano po yan?
Lords Mobile. Play now.
Sana pwede ko, parang hindi ko na ilagay sa bag. No? Hindi ba? Kasama doon sa timbang.
Ma,
Isas gusto rin ng candy.
ito na po.
Candy na pampabag. Parang ano, mouthwash.
Tingnan mo po.
The hidden boyer was arrested because a teacher called the police. It was discovered after a female student found it suspicious that the equipment storage area was in use and decided to investigate. Kasi hindi yung mga babae nandun sila sa may ano, diba?
Ano CR?
CR, pero hindi naman dyan kasi yung CR-an, ihian yan eh. Storage siya ng mga gamit. Para may ibalak sila dyan gamit. Ito yung pabango mo, diba? Hindi ba ito yung natin?
Ma,
Yung isang mabango. Ito nga yun.
Mama po, excuse me po, hindi ko po alam kung saan po dito po nakakatakot.
Tingin.
I don't know where's the scary part.
Let me check.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. May mga bali ba po na kamay po? Hindi ba po naghahawak ng gamit?
Ayun o. So, ibig sabihin, nagpapanggap lang siyang bali. Kasi nga, pinambubuhat niya yung bali niyang kamay. Dapat dun sa kabila, di ba? So, why would someone deliberately use a broken arm to carry luggage? Oh. Kasi broken na nga, so mahirapan siya, pero may bit-bit siya. The left arm might be fake. And the real
Left
arm...
ba po to?
Oo. Fake daw yan. Broken arm to carry luggage. The left arm might be fake. And the real arm could be hidden. Possibly to steal something. Maybe I'm overthinking it.
Ano po sinabi?
Nag-overthink na siguro daw siya. Ba't may dugo siya? Only one person's wrist had a red thing. She endured immense pressure after being chosen as the center. Bullied by the other men. Binullied daw siya. Struggling with distress and repeated self-harming while dancing her wound open and bled. Pawa naman siya. Nagets mo?
So, nabib...
Ano may kamay?
Hindi, glove lang po yan. Hindi kamay po.
The owner smelled,
He at his dog.
which only like to dig holes. as he picked up trash and filled the pits just as he picked up a dirty gloves. He couldn't help but gasp in shock. May dugo na naman.
Paano yung dugo? I mean, scaring game nga to eh. Kaya kailangan may dugo. Mama, bukit lang pero kasi ako
If you want to know what you will look like when you grow up, first open the time machine.
So, gusto ko matry yung mga rides doon ko. Magbablog pa ako o magla-live. Mama po, tingnan mo ko.
You studied well today, didn't you? Sabi ng mama niya siguro. Yesterday, mother said a lot. O pinagsabihan siya ng maraming beses daw. But she still hasn't realized that her daughter will never have the chance to make a silent protest again.
Ano po sasabihin po niya?
Parang nag-aano siya na may galit siya sa mama niya. Kaya siguro nagganon siya, nagsugat siya. Ayan. Nagalit siya sa mama niya, ayaw niya pinagsasabihan siya. Bad siya. She felt resentful about being forced to do chores, so she always added wrung out rag water to the tea as revenge. Dirty.
Hindi naman yun nakakatakot eh.
Dirty naman yun. Ayun lang yung pwede niyang iganti. Nilagay niya daw yung basahan. Sa may tsaa.
Mama po. Ano ba po yun po? Ano yung sasabihin po lahat po to?
Alin?
Ano yung sasabihin po na to po?
She felt resentful.
Ano po yung sasabihin po niyo?
Sweet search. Arala ka. Meron daw siya sama ng loob. She felt may sama ng loob daw siya being forced to do. Wait lang. Sa mga gawaing bahay daw. Na daw siya. Sumasama daw loob niya sa mga daming ginagawa niya daw sa gawaing bahay. So, she always added daw. Ano nga natin ito? Search natin yung kadiri.
Ano po yan?
Wrung out, yung mga yung pinigang basahan. To the tea as revenge. Dirty.
Dapat hindi ginawa yun. Marami kasi gagawin sa bahay. Ganun po. I cannot see what's the answer again.
I read. The warm-up is over. It's time now. Bullies the ignored ones. Indifferent teachers. Let everyone suffer the same torment.
Manong sinasabi po niya?
The warm-up is over. It's time now.
Sabi ko po na.
Wait nga, inaano ko nga, di ba? Huwag mo kasi sila i-touch, nagagalit na.
Ang cute eh.
Umalis ka na.
May, ano na pagsasabihin ko na to?
Bullies, the ignored one, indifferent teachers, let everyone suffer.
Ano sasabihin po niya?
Hindi ko na-gets eh.
Ba't daliri?
Ano yan?
Daliri kinakain!
Eh, yan. Ang galing mo.
Crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch. One, yan pa nakalagay.
Oo nga.
Crunch, crunch. Once you start eating, you can't stop. Crunch, crunch. The hard parts are the best. Ano pa ito sasabihin?
Squelch, squelch.
Squelch, squelch. Full of
Calcium too.
calcium.
Crunch, squelch.
I want more
and more. Gusto mo yun? I want
Ayaw ko po. Magkanong daliri. Mama po. Kita mo ba po kung saan po yung ano po? Ay, kita ko na pala.
Ay, ba't iba yung kamay na ay, may gloves yung lalaki. Saan?
Hindi, ito po.
Ay, oo nga, no. Ayan, no.
Sinakal siya ng lalaki.
Baka.
So guys, I'm being enjoyful from this. This woman is suffering from... Ma, basahin mo po.
This woman is suffering from domestic violence
Ano po yun?
by a man.
Ano po yung sasabihin?
Nagsasuffer daw siya sa mga ginagawa ng lalaki daw. It seems her neck was strangled the day before. She isn't afraid of falling. She is afraid of the man's unpredictable emotions.
Ano po sinabi? Ano po
Takot kasi sa lalaki.
Mukhang wala naman nakakatakot dito po, Mama. There's nothing to be afraid.
Ayun, no?
No. Ma,
On the
sabihin mo,
beautiful green.
Mama,
Ay, tao nga yung nakalutang. Ayan, no?
Ma, excuse me muna po. Pagkatapos mo basahin po yung English, sabihin mo po kung ano yung sasabihin po sa Tagalog po. Pag hindi mo alam, huwag mo na yan tutuloyin po.
On the beautiful green leaves, a dark rest. On the corpse that fell into the pond after getting drunk. Previous night, it is said that beneath every cherry blossom tree lies a buried body, and under the green leaves is that of a drowned person. Sabi dito, may lalaki daw na nalasing, tapos nalaglag siya sa may, sa may pond dyan. Tapos hanggang namatay na siya. Tapos laging may natatagpuan daw dyan na taong namamatay.
Dapat pala, ano pala siya?
Green.
Opo. Pero,
The traffic light was clearly red. So, ibig sabihin, bawal ka tumawid kasi red na, di ba? But, she was exhausted from taking care of her child. With the resolve to end it all, she stepped into the road, crossing against the red light.
para ano po?
Wala na siya sa sarili niya eh. Mamamatay na sila. Parang pakamatay sila. Gusto niya nang tapusin yung buhay nilang dalawa. So what's your answer?
Galing ang babae, hindi nakatingin sa mga dito po, Mama. Galing siya. Ano ba yan?
Ano sagot mo? Hindi mo alam?
Hindi po, napindot ko lang po to, pero sabi ko po, duling pong babae, hindi po nakatingin po sa sa mga ganito po statue. Tignan mo na po yung may dugo.
We listen to you.
Ano po yung sinulat mo?
Yung babae, may dugo yung mata.
Basahin mo po.
Ayun o.
Pati basahin mo po kung ano
These
po Tagalog po niya.
exquisite henna dolls are beautifully decorated, but one of them is shedding dark blood-like tears, sabi. According to the medium, this is the curse of a young daughter who, along with her entire family, committed suicide on this land long ago. Sabi daw, nagkaroon daw yan ng sanib. Alam mo yung sanib? Nagkaroon ng curse. Nagkaroon ng may sapit, sinapian na ghost.
Babae po yung na po.
Na bata daw. Young daughter, along with her entire family, committed suicide daw.
Suicide ano po yun?
Suicide, pakamatay.
Di naman gabi
Mag-ano siya, magagas siya, tapos nakabukas yung yung sasakyan niya, bawal yun. He didn't forget to turn off the lights. He forgot to turn off the engine. If this continues, there are risks of fire. But strangely, the store clerk didn't try to stop it.
Ano po sasabihin po nito?
Kahit na nakita na ng stop na magdagas siya, kahit nakabukas, hindi man siya pinigilan. Ay, hindi yan yung sagot ko.
Okay, wait. Ito yung picture.
Ano may dugo?
Why is there parang
Handkerchief.
Opo, pati stock po na po. Leaves.
We listen to you, and that's why I'm here to share a hack on
Pati na punahan ng leads. Oh, stock.
Oh.
Mabasahin mo.
Under the cover of the red leaves, a cloth is hanging from a tree. Blood is seeping. True?
Ano pa sipin?
Hirap naman yan. Wait lang. Malalim kasi yun. Hirap Tagalog. Tumutulo daw. So, blood is seeping through the white fabric daw. Tumutulo daw yun. Speaking of which, a few days ago, a serial killer was arrested in this area daw. Gets mo?
Mano pa sasabihin po natin po?
Serial killer, yung pumapatay ng tao. Nahuli din dyan yung serial killer, yung pumapatay ng tao. Kasi nahuli siya na may mga siya yan.
Namatay po siya?
Hindi siya namatay. May natagpuan na dyan din siya nahuli yung pumatay dahil nakita may dugo doon. May pinatay siyang tao. Yung serial killer, siya yung pumapatay ng tao.
Mapatay po ng tao?
May kalaban yung serial killer. Ba't hindi ko
What is wrong? Buti may ako na-save pang tatlong
Hindi, huwag mo muna hanapin nga natin.
Okay na niya. Pero hindi siya nakitikit.
Wait lang.
is so challenging.
Ang hirap.
It's so scary about that. But hindi natin naman makita kung saan yung nakakatakot. I want a hint.
Wait lang. Baka kaya nga natin eh.
Okay. So guys, nasa airport pa din kami.
Ano? No.
I did not find it. Where's it supposed to be? What? Ba't hindi niya na lang ito gamitin?
Try mo yung sana yan.
Wait lang po. Hindi ako tinitignan pa po. I want just a little one thing.
Sige.
It's so hard. Let's get to the good part.
Why is she keeping a lot of pills? Ayun o, nandun. The final step, I applied mascara. This is the cutest I've ever been. It's okay to meet him like this. Music from a singer who passed away recently played in the room. Ay, may pinapainom siya ng mga gamot. Ayan o. May kamay na ko yun. The man is the man.
The mud
Where's the money, bitch? Hand it over!
I can't let my child grow up like this anymore.
Take your hands off!
I'll use this money for myself so my child and I can have a better life. No more bad husband. I'm single and independent. This is my dream life. Join Brady Prankster now and making everyone's life better together.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Wala kang ipin? Oh my God. Ayan na lang.
Ano yan siya? Kanya ka siya.
Anong karasay?
Ay, namamali ko pa.
Uy, may manyakis. May ano, salbahe. The man is trying to break in through a slightly open window. The light in the changing room has also been turned off. Likely by the man. Can the woman wearing only a towel escape the man's malice in the darkness? Bastos yung lalaki na sinisilipan siya.
That's great. Wait, tignan ko naman.
Iba yung nasa picture eh. Ano mo na?
Alam niya dati po to? A week after the wedding, the bride left forever. The woman was suddenly told by the groom that he already had someone he loved. It was later discovered that the groom's new bride was actually her close friend.
Hello. Okay.
Is it the schoolgirl felt Mama po.
Ano?
It's the hymn of the place.
Ah. Nak, doon na, anak.
We listen to you, and that
May gagawin pa kasi ako eh.